Niagara Falls is one of the world's most famous waterfalls. Located on the border between Canada and the United States, it's actually made up of three waterfalls. 1. Horseshoe Falls, the largest, mostly on the Canadian side. 2. American Falls. 3. Bridal Veil Falls. Together they form part of the Niagara River. Quick facts: about 3,160 tons of water flow over the falls every second during peak daytime periods. The falls were formed around 12,000 years ago after the last ice age. The height ranges from about 167 to 188 feet, 51 to 57 meters. More than 12 million visitors come every year. Why it's famous Niagara Falls is known for its massive power and beauty, hydroelectric power generation, honeymoon tourism, honeymoon capital of the world, boat tours that take visitors close to the falls, popular attractions, Made of the Mist, iconic boat ride on the US side, journey behind the falls, tunnels behind Horseshoe Falls, Skylon Tower, panoramic observation tower, Cave of the Winds, walkways near the crashing water. Best time to visit: summer, June, August. Warm weather, full attractions, biggest crowds. Fall, colorful scenery and fewer tourists. Winter, frozen landscapes and icy formations can look magical. At night, the falls are illuminated with colorful lights, and there are often fireworks in summer. Fun historical note: in 1901, a school teacher named Annie Edson Taylor became the first person to survive going over the falls in a barrel. Many daredevils later attempted similar stunts, most illegally. Would you like to know the best site to visit? Canada versus US? Travel tips, history, or interesting facts and legends about Niagara Falls? Please like and subscribe for more.